nobody would let go of a chance to work alongside Naseeruddin Shah. Just to be able to share time with him on screen and off screen has been biggest takeaway from the show. I've obviously spent more time with Soha. My interaction with Saif on Tandav was very limited because our tracks were very different. We had very few scenes together. But with Soha, I've done Kaun Banegi Shikharwati. I've also done another show with her, which is not out yet. So I've actually spent a lot of time with her in the last 1 year, and I can say that she's a close friend now. I was a bit taken aback, honestly, because nobody thought it would become such a big deal, and because there was no intention of hurting anybody. And of course, I mean, if we felt that it would hurt someone, why would we do it? Why would that be a part of the show?
Hi, this is Savina Shekian. With me today, I have the gorgeous, the stunning Kritika Kamra, who will be seen working with Naseeruddin Shah, Soha Ali Khan, Lara Datta, Anya Singh, and a lot of actors out there in Kaun Banega Miss Shikharwati. Welcoming her on E-Times.
Hi, it's called Kaun Banegi Shikharwati, and it's out on ZEE5 now. But I don't blame you. It's
Kaun Banega Crorepati ka, different version altogether, to be very honest, because the trailer itself somewhere shows that, that it's more of like fighting for power and, trying to get that title.
It's actually fighting for the throne. Yes, it is. Because Shikharwati is the Raja of Shikharwati. Naseer Saab is playing Raja Mrityunjay, who is the Raja of Shikharwati, and he has these 4 daughters who are fighting hard to be the next king.
But, Kritika, how was your experience of working with him? Because it's your first time you're working with Naseeruddin Shah in a web series.
Yeah. I mean, it's a dream come true for any actor, right? I mean, you ask anybody, nobody would let go of a chance to work alongside Naseeruddin Shah in anything. So it was definitely one of the big reasons of saying yes to the show. And yeah, I think I'll always cherish it, because just to be able to share time with him on screen and off screen has been biggest takeaway from the show.
But also, as you said that, of course, it's quite good, the way you have made yourself in terms of your work over the years. I used to watch Kitni Mohabbat Hai as a kid, and I really loved your character, and I don't remember much about it. And now when I see you, coming over the years, the way you have progressed, it's quite good to see. Do you somewhere feel that, I have somewhere made a mark in, in the world of entertainment industry?
I honestly don't take it so seriously, but I'm glad that you feel so. The fact that you remember the show, the fact that you remember the name right, thank you, Savina, and you remember me from the show it's a huge compliment to me. It feels like I have done something right, because if it's memorable, then I mean, that is what my job is, right? My job is to make a character memorable. I'm definitely, I feel very grateful for my journey, for all the work that has come my way, for what I'm doing currently, especially. I'm super excited about the stuff that's coming to me now. So yeah, I think I'm in a good space, but there's a long way to go.
Yeah, like from playing Arohi to now, being Shikharwati, which is quite a different experience, I must say, altogether, because it's a web series, of course. But at the same time, Kritika, do you somewhere also feel that, when it's a web series, there's a lot of, expectations from you, because, it's an OTT platform. And right now on OTT, we get to see a variety of, content, right now, be it on Netflix, be it on Hotstar, be it on Amazon. Somewhere, do you feel that heat somewhere?
There's no heat, because I'm actually I have my share of it, right? I'm doing stuff on I did Tandav before this, which was on Amazon, and that was a very different character. It was a grey character, it was a complex character. I'm now getting to do Shikharwati, which is completely different from anything I've done before. I've always played the girl next door. I've always played the the good girl, the sanskari girl, or the best friend, or a good girlfriend, or just things like that. But this character is absolutely crazy. She's insensitive. She's a loudmouth. She insults her sisters. She doesn't care about anybody else. She's self-obsessed. She's obsessed with her Instagram image and her Instagram followers. She's a bit of a celebrity in her head who, so it's just the variety of stuff that one is getting to do now because of the variety of things that are happening on web. As an actor, I think it's just I'm only grateful. It's a great time to be around and to be able to be a part of these stories.
Also, Kritika, you share quite a good equation with Soha Ali Khan. And for that matter, you have worked with both the brother and sister, Saif
Yeah.
Khan in Tandav and, Soha in the series. So what difference and what similarity do you see in both of them as actors?
They are both extremely funny and witty. They have this dry sense of humor that really cracks me up. They are both very well read and very intelligent. You can talk to them about anything under the sun, and they know everything.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's been a good experience. I've obviously spent more time with Soha. My interaction with Saif on Tanda was very limited because our tracks were very different. We had very few scenes together.
Mhm.
But with Soha, I've done Kaun Banegi Shikarwati. I've also done another show with her which is not out yet, so I've actually spent a lot of time with her in the last 1 year, and I can say that she's a close friend now. So yeah, I know her better than I know Seth. So
Also, for that matter, Kritika, you are someone who has always stayed away from controversy. Like, I have never heard that Kritika has been in any controversy. But with Tandav, of course, there were a lot of controversy surrounding it. How did you deal with it personally, knowing that, it's a very good web show also, and the focus was not to, have any, hurt anyone's sentiments. So how was your situation when you were dealing with something like this?
I was a bit taken aback, honestly, because nobody thought that it would become such a big deal, and because there was no intention of hurting anybody. And of course, I mean, if we felt that it would hurt someone, why would we do it? Why would that be a part of the show? Clearly, everybody involved when you were making it, didn't think that uh, uh, it would become a problem. But
Hmm.
all said and done, I think lessons learned. I've moved on from it. Now I'm in fact doing a character who gets into a controversy in the very first episode, and a major one. She says something really obnoxious.
Hmm.
So it's what has not happened to me in life, and what I've stayed away from in real life. I've gone ahead and done that in this show with Kamini, with Princess Ka, who constantly keeps putting her foot in the mouth.
Oh wow, that's quite nice to hear. But
Yeah.
you're also working with Lara Datta, and Lara has her own enigma when she comes, on screen. When she's there, she has a different aura altogether. How was your experience of working with her? Were you nervous? Were you a bit skeptical that, oh my God, she comes with so many years of experience, in the world of Bollywood?
Yeah, no, but that's great because that is the character. See, all of us we're all very different people, and we're also very different characters, and we were never supposed to be in sync, because this is not a show where the sisters are happy and the sisters are doing things together and they are loving or anything. The sisters are constantly at each other's throats, and they are insulting each other and hating on each other. So we never really had to be in sync in that sense. But of course, Lara is Miss Universe Lara Datta,
Yeah.
and she is a legit boss lady who comes with this command, and her character also demands her to be like that, which was lovely to see. She's a pleasure to watch. And also the thing is that Lara has this, towering personality, this commanding, uh, like I said, she is a legit boss lady. And then when you chill with her, she's also so warm and she's so funny and she's so like, she's so fun to chill with. I think
Hmm.
that's a great thing about everybody in this show. We've really become like good friends in life, and we hang out together. We meet for dinners, we gossip, we have a WhatsApp group, which is just where all kinds of jokes are being shared all the time. So that was a I think that's been the biggest takeaway also. That's also been one of the big takeaways from this show. Just the relationships with these people. It's like finding friends that are family.
Kritika, you have also been part of reality shows for that matter, and like it's quite different experience. But did you ever felt like being a part of Big Boss?
No, it's not my cup of tea. I'm a very private person. You know, I'm, yeah, I don't think I can do it. It's just, I think it's a personality thing. I don't think I'm that person.
And your friend Karan Kulra is there in Big Boss. So what do you have to say about that? Because there people tend to lose their cool, for that matter. So what do you have to say about that?
Unfortunately, I haven't followed anything. I've been shooting for the last 2 months, in fact, without a break. Like, it's just after this new year, just now that I've got some time. And that's why I could, speak with you earlier. So
Hmm.
I really haven't had the time to follow it. I have no clue what's going on.
Do you personally watch any of the reality shows? Be it Indian, be it American, something which you personally like?
I enjoy Shark Tank a lot.
Oh,
I think Shark Tank is a lot of fun to watch. Apart from that, I don't remember any recent reality. No.
what is keeping you busy apart from working on this web series?
Well, this web series is out now. So
Hmm.
this is done. In fact, now, I mean, it's done and delivered. It's now, in fact, since morning today, because it dropped last night, I've only been reading reactions to the show and to my character. I read everything. So I've
Yeah.
been doing that. But I'm currently working on something else. So we've been shooting, unfortunately, because of the pandemic situation, things keep slowing down. And, it's taking much longer to film as opposed to normal times. So just hoping for this to get over, hoping this is the last leg of the pandemic, and then we can go back to normal lives as we knew it.
We all are somewhere waiting to get, for the normal lives. But
Yeah.
it was lovely talking to you, Kritika. Thank you so much for your time.